Oh dear, this is amazing! Over 60,000 downloads of my game in one day in the UK alone! If I could manage to export the game to other countries, the downloads and earnings will really take off. But... who should I call? What countries should I export to? What about translation? Maybe dubbing? Oh, thank you, dude. But the princess is not here. Again. Gracias, amigo. But the princesa está no aquí. Otra vez.
Pink Noise, good morning. We're a company that specializes in the internationalization of video games, translation and dubbing with an advanced online working environment. How can we help you?
Yes, you're hired.
We have a new job consisting of English video games from a young developer who wants to translate the project into Spanish.
I'm sorry, did you say we have a true snob resisting English games? Who is a young lover of all object Spanish?
We have a new job. The client will set up all the project information for us in the virtual system. Right, let's crack on with it.
Pero Joe, tienes que saber si los zombies son rápidos o lentos para ver si corremos o dejamos que se acerquen. Joe, ¿ves? Ya me han mordido.
La tierra roja más allá de los lagos Topacio solo está reservada para los portadores de la rótula esmeralda.
El motor de ignición ha sufrido una caída de energía por debajo de los niveles básicos de propulsión.
El enemigo cuenta con exoesqueleto. Debes elegir el arma adecuada en el panel para poder derribarle. ¡Ánimo! Los orcos zombies no me preocupan. Son lentos y tontos. Temo más a quien los dirige porque nunca cejará en su empeño. Hasta que no destruya a su señor, los orcos no pararán.
Tidius? That's brilliant, mate! Now I want it in German, French, Italian, Portuguese.
Guys,